Hi captains, and welcome back to another helpful how-to video from the CCP. Today we will be discussing how to make an appointment with us on Handshake, so let's get started. First, log into your Handshake account through my.cnu.edu. Click on the Career Center tab on the left side of the screen, then select Appointments. Here you will be able to select the blue Schedule a New Appointment button at the top of the page. Then you will be prompted to select your year or status. Then you will be able to choose from a list of appointment types. Select the one that most fits your needs. For this example, I will choose the appointment type, Resume Review. Following that, you will be navigated to where you will be able to choose from available dates to schedule your appointment. The dates available will appear blue. If the date is gray, that means there are no appointments available for that day. After clicking on your desired day, you will be able to choose from any of the times available with a member of our professional staff of your choosing. Finally, you will be taken to the screen shown. Here you can choose whether you would like your appointment to be virtual or in person. You can then leave a note for the staff member, and you will also be asked to finish filling out the following information. Then once you have finished filling out all of the prompted information, you can select the request button at the bottom to make the appointment. Thanks for watching, and as always, make an appointment with the Center for Career Planning on Handshake, and follow us on social media to stay connected.